Welcome back to our salad series right here on AUMcuisine. I'm going to be making some Japanese coleslaw. So we all know what regular coleslaw is. This is slightly different. So what I have here is cabbage, shredded cabbage and some grated carrots. And to this, I'm going to be adding in some amaranth microgreens. So whenever I make salads during the spring and summertime, I love to have a combination of marination and or raw or cooked along with it. And for me, the color is so important. I like to serve things that look beautiful. And I think that it kind of creates a supremely beautiful dimension on your table, in your plate, in a bowl when you serve it. It's just lovely. So this has these little specks coming through. To this, I've already added some organic rice vinegar. You could use this brand, Marukan. We'll link it below. Or there's organic rice vinegars aplenty available. Some people do use apple cider vinegar, and that's fine as well. But I like to keep to the rice vinegar theme for this. And to this, I'm going to add a little bit of the spicy microgreens. So microgreens are full of micronutrients, beautiful flavor, and some plumped goji berries. So goji berries, otherwise called wolfberries or Himalayan berries, are potent antioxidant, extremely good. And then to this, I'm going to make a little area on the side, and we're going to make a little dressing area, okay? To this, we will add some toasted sesame seed oil. And then I'm going to add some ginger, not too much, just a little bit of chili flakes, some black sesame seeds, and some pickled ginger, just the kind that you would use when you do your sushi, right? And then some Umeboshi plum paste. The one that I like is from Eden Organic, but you could get any other kind if you wish. And to this, some garlic powder. Not fresh garlic, but just garlic powder. And then we're going to give it a good stir. But the way we're going to do it, because all of these things are so delicate, is just cover it up and allow it to infuse. So you want to give it about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll come back for some plating and assembly. So I have here a bamboo bowl, and I would recommend taking a whole bunch of it and putting it right in the center. And some more. If the people in your life really like vegetables or don't like vegetables, this is really the salad for them. Because if they like it, they will hoover it down. And if they don't like it, this would keep them interested. So in both ways it works. So then I'm going to take some Himalayan pink salt, just a little bit of a drizzle, and some coconut aminos. You can put that in like that. So just teeny weeny bit of salt, because you really don't need too much salt for this recipe. Some Japanese crackers made by Lotus Foods on the side. Usually people do a topping of it. I like to put it on the side because the crunch is there if required, but then, you know, you're really focusing on the salad. A little bit of the microgreens, even though you mixed quite a bit, just here. Some pickled ginger on this corner, and then some white sesame seeds over here and some black sesame seeds right in the center. Beautiful. And there you have it. We have a delectable Japanese inspired coleslaw. I really want to do a taste test, but first I'm going to do some Instagram pictures. I'll be right back. Beautiful. Highlights of spice, the nutty textures, the cruciferous vegetables, just perfect. This is amazing on its own, but also is a fabulous condiment or a side to spicy noodles. If you don't want it too spicy, you can make a cold noodle salad for the summer and still serve this alongside. I hope you're having a beautiful time with your friends and family, and cook more. It really helps. Until we meet again in another episode of AUMcuisine, this is Vaidya Priyanka.